Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. About 5 minutes to 7 here on a Friday night here on the Buakhao Road. What we'll do is we'll just have a look in TreeTown, and then I'm going to shoot off back to the condo for a bit. Unsure if I'll go out this evening because I've got a big day tomorrow. What I'll do is I'll go up this end. Yeah, like my friends invited me to a made in Thailand Harley Davidson. It's a festival about tattoos and bands, pardon me. And yeah, so pretty cool. So I'll be involved with the staff there, so that's pretty good. And hopefully I'll film a lot of it, get some good footage. Currently testing it in -30 on the... How you going, mate? I was just in the shop an hour ago. Are you working or not? Oh, no. All right, I'll catch you later. Yeah, my other tattoo friend. Yeah, he's a very good artist. Yeah, there's the Buzzing Bar. A few people in there tonight. I went past there last night and it was shut at 11:30 or something, so a bit strange. But this part of TreeTown, on that part where Buzzing Bar is, it seems very quiet, sadly. Like this part of TreeTown gets a fair few people. Like, it's a bit early now, but early in the evening I've done a few shorts and it's been pumping. It is Friday night, it is only, should be about 7 now. So yeah, this part of TreeTown's usually quite busy. There's a fair few customers there. And there's some good restaurants here on the other side with some bars. Of course, you've got TreeTown in the middle restaurant. I just had a meal in there tonight. I had the chicken Penang. The spice was just right. At first I went, whoa. But after I had a few more mouthfuls, it was quite tasty. Like the peas, well, they look like peas, but I don't think they are peas. I'll have to ask one of my Thai friends what they are. Okay. There's a cute girl that works in this scooter bar here, just next to Hungry Hippos. Like, I saw her a couple of nights ago getting off her bike, and I was going, oh, that seems all right. And then I saw her walking to the bar. Let's wave to her. Yeah, so I've got about a couple of hours left on my right leg to go on the cover up. What I'll do is I'll keep rolling and go down the rest of buakhao. Then I'm going to make my way home, as I said, and relax, because tomorrow is a big day, getting picked up at 11 in the morning. Was finally going to go to Koh Lam, but I didn't realise the 7th was tomorrow. So I'll have to do the Koh Lam some other time, but I've got plenty of time. As long as my body holds up. Yeah, unfortunately I hit a couple of buttons on the wireless go and I messed up my settings, and I didn't take any screenshots of what my GoPro was. So I've just been experimenting. I've bumped it back up to -30. I suppose that's the wrong representation, bumping it up. But you understand if you do have a GoPro wireless 2. You understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, the microphone really good quality was coming out through the Samsung phone. Yeah, I was having a few issues, as I said in my first test. You know, like the mod wasn't saying that, oh, you know, you've got a microphone plugged in. However, I looked on YouTube and that's the way it is, and I've been told to rest assured that it is picking it up. I did a test with one of my mates. I got him to say, oh look, don't talk and I'll go up a few meters and tell me if the reader bar is showing up on the GoPro, and he said yeah it was. Because the mod itself has a couple of microphones in it, so I was just a bit concerned that it was coming out through there. These Go wireless microphones are amazing. Like, they've got a good little windsock on it. Like, when I looked at it, I go, are you serious? But the sound quality was really good on the phone. Hopefully it comes up really good on this GoPro 10, because I spent a bit of coin on it. And today I went to TreeTown and bought myself 2 spare batteries, and I got a charger as well for it. Spending money. That's what you do in Pattaya. Spend money. You can spend money on ladies or LBs if that's your bag. Or alcohol. I don't drink anymore. Haven't had alcohol for 2 years. I basically gave up alcohol just for a month, and then 1 month become 2, and as I've said before, and I've just been shocked. And after I had my heart attack, doctor says, oh, you cannot drink. I said, well, I haven't had a drink for quite some time. And he laughed. I'll let this guy go. Actually, I'll get through here. There's plenty of room. There's a sand truck. Don't really want to be behind him and get a face full of sand in your eyeballs. Yeah, fair bit of traffic here, as there always is on a Friday night. Don't know if I'll get through here. Oh yes, I will. I won't go through my shortcut. We'll try and get some more vision. Interested to see how it comes up in the night. I haven't done any settings with the night mode. I've watched a few YouTube videos